Service visits are convenient and easy at Inver Grove Ford. Here's what you can expect on the day of your appointment. When you arrive, drive up to the service door. It will open automatically. Pull in and stop your vehicle where the signs indicate. Our advisor will welcome you and direct you to the check-in desk. After getting the information from your vehicle, the advisor will join you. Let us know if you'll be staying as your vehicle is serviced, or if we should text or call you when your vehicle is ready for pickup. If you're waiting for your vehicle, make yourself at home in our comfortable lounge area with complimentary snacks, drinks, television, and Wi-Fi. When your service is complete, we'll find you in the lounge or call or text you to check back with the cashier for your keys and paperwork to get you on your way. Our runners will bring the vehicle up front so you can pick it up and be on your way. Remember, at Inver Grove Ford, we can help you with service from routine maintenance to major repairs on all makes and models, including non-Ford and non-Lincoln vehicles. And for future service needs, we offer complimentary pickup and delivery as well as mobile service as an option. We want to accommodate your schedule and make service as convenient and hassle-free as possible. Thank you for choosing Inver Grove Ford for your service needs. We look forward to your visit. See you soon.